You guys have sent us so many horrible slimes, but today I'm gonna fix all of them. We're gonna start with this one. This package is crazy because right as I was sitting down to film this video, it got delivered to us. I'm extra excited for this one because it's actually addressed to me. Very flattering, thank you. For Erin from Jillian. It says that her favorite thing in the world is kawaii Hawaii, which is very interesting because when I was 11, that was also my favorite thing in the world. Let's see what you have in here. Okay, Jillian, I'm about to be brutally honest about the slime that you sent us. We have glitter water, an activator pen, a fun little package, another fun little package. Before I get into the slime, I do want to open up all these little packages that she sent. I feel like this is my birthday and I'm very excited to see what's in all of these. It says, my favorite snack. That is so thoughtful. It's like she's running her own little slime business. This is little wristbands and squishies that we would send you. This is cute. I don't know what he is, but it's cute. Mardi Gras bracelet. I don't know. Let's see how this activator pen works. Why is your activator black? The water glitter. Thank you for sending it. Very creative, but today we're not going to be using it. Time for the slime. Feels like a Peachy Babies container. It is a Peachy Babies container. Let's assess what we have going on here. Oh, what is that? So many different weird little colors in it. It smells like Marshalls. You know that store where you like go buy lotion with your mom and they have cheap clothing? That is what this slime smells like. This texture is super strange. It's not even bad. It is unlike anything I've ever felt. This is gonna be very fun to fix. The only idea I have to fix this slime is what Jillian said to do, which is please make completely different pink ? I have my pink pigment and my pink dye. Since this slime is kind of dark, I need a lot of color to get it to actually be pink and bright and interesting looking. Start off with a little bit of this, and I'm just gonna mix the pigment right on top of that. It worked. I might have to activate it a little bit, but I'm nervous. I don't know if I want to use that activator pen. I don't know what that black stuff on the inside is, but you know what? Jillian probably made a brand new, very creative activator recipe that we just don't have at Peachy Babies. Why does it look like that? Kind of nervous. I can't believe I ever doubted you, Jillian. I'm sorry. I just wonder what is in this that made it that color. I've never seen an activator be anything but clear before. Now that the color is basically perfect, in my opinion, it's time to change the texture. I think it's time for me to finally incorporate a foam slime into one of these videos. 2 million colorful foam beads. I don't know how much is too much. I'm gonna do something very brave. Can't find the slime. What is happening? No, why is it doing that? Ah! Oh! This is a disaster. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh no. This feels worse than it did when I got it. This feels like a completely underactivated slime. I'm gonna go grab some Peachy Babies activator and I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Welcome back. We definitely did not just spend 30 minutes cleaning up a million foam beads. I'm gonna add in my activator. I still have hope for this slime. Okay, it's coming along. Now that it's fully mixed, this is a beautiful, crunchy, foam slime. Super fun to play with. These foam beads aren't the best because they kind of just fall out everywhere. But I would say that I successfully fixed this slime, or at least changed it a lot. Thank you so much, Jillian, for your submission. Let's get on to the next one. Here is our next package. Honestly, these videos have to be my favorite to make. This is just so exciting to unbox. Big cup of pink slime, big cup of green slime. And now we have the extra goodies. We have Indigos bracelets and the surprise. So let's open the surprise first. Tear here. Number 5 is legendary, ultra rare, rare, uncommon, and common. Uncommon what? On a side note, I love fixing your guys' slimes, but I also love opening all these fun little things that you guys send us. I also love looking at all the beautiful art you put on the outside of your packages. We love seeing that like extra effort that you put in. It's so beautiful and lovely. All right, let's see what we got. A starfish with a bandana. Well, who is he? Is he legendary? Ultra rare. That's still pretty good. I'm gonna put him on my keys and he will come with me to Peachy Babies every day. Next, let's open Indigo's bracelets. I love the little corner tear here way of getting it open. I think that's so creative. I love seeing how creative you guys are. Oh, these are so cool. I am not talented enough to make that. That's amazing. And there's this tiny little note that was hidden in there. One for each of you. Let's get the other two over here and see which one of these they want. Okay, I have them here with us. Anna, here's your bracelet. Indigo made this just for you.
Thank you, Indigo.
Christian, This is for you.
Let's go.
And this one is mine. And now we have friendship bracelets all together. Thank you, Indigo.
Thank you.
Love them. Okay, let's get into the slime. I really love this. Now we all have one, except for Dan. We're starting here with this Betty Crocker Tupperware. This is a nice green slime. Texture is pretty good. It stretches super well. It's unscented though, which is a personal problem. I don't like my slimes to be unscented, so we're gonna need to find a scent for this. But what theme is this slime giving me? I think because this came in a Betty Crocker container, I wanna make this into like a brownie themed slime. I think I have just the thing for that. This is what I'm gonna use to make this into our brownie batter slime. I have fudge brownie scent, which as you guys probably know, this is my favorite scent in all of Peachy Babies. It's so good. And then we have our very trusted Buckeye Brown. So let's see if we can get a nice, even brownie color go on here without making it too dark. Honestly, coming out very pretty. This is a very nice glossy brown color. Let's add that scent. It smells exactly like freshly made brownies. It's amazing. I would normally take this slime and I would put it into a little Peachy Babies container, but I feel like this Betty Crocker container really gets the point across. I'm gonna keep it in this. I love the texture and now I love the smell a lot too. Well, that is not very much brownie. I think what I need to do is add white slime to this to lighten the color a little bit and give it more volume so it's more interesting to look at in the container. Here I have my handy dandy memory dough that I'm just gonna go ahead and add in here. It's basically the opposite texture of what we have going on here, so I think it'll be a nice juxtaposition. There we go. Now it looks like a nice fluffy baked good like it's supposed to. Add it back into our Betty Crocker. Beep, 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 beep. That's beautiful. It looks like gelato. Now it is time for our toppings. I want this to be a clay kit. I went ahead and while you weren't looking, I made a little tiny brownie clay. So now let's assemble it. This is my brownie. As you can see, I'm a very talented clay maker. The little brownie on top of the little slime. Then I need to add my charms. So I also went ahead and picked out these two different kinds of charms. Love these chocolate chunks. I love adding them to anything chocolate themed because they just look so realistic. So I also grabbed some of these chocolate chips. And you know what? I think I'm gonna go somewhat of an unconventional route here. And I wanna add a little bit of whipped cream to the top of this. I feel like this is just a lot of brown with a lot of brown. So it needs a little bit of a white pop. That is a perfect, beautiful brownie sundae slime. I am in love with this. Oh no, oh my God. Now it is time to mix up the clay kit, which is the best part of any clay kit. Such a good slime. Indigo, thank you so much for sending in this slime. I had the best time fixing it, but we have one more to fix that she sent us. So let's get into this one. Whoa, here, this beautiful orange pink. It is like a glistening salmon color. It's really pretty. This texture is so good. I'm surprised by how many good textures we've had in today's video. I think all this really needs is a really solid theme. This is giving me like a beautiful nebula sort of thing. So let's go for some sort of space themed something. I'm gonna move this into a Peachy Babies container. There it is, looking very beautiful. I don't even think I need to change the color of this at all. Great job, Indigo. I have this brightly colored star mix that I found in the warehouse, and I feel like those go together extremely well. Very cute. And then I grabbed every brightly colored space charm that we have. This moon, another one of him, more of these guys. And here you have it. Indigo's beautiful pastel cold space snowstorm slime. I think that's the official name. Now it is time to mix it all together. This texture is so crazy. Look at them, they're so happy. Indigo, thank you for sending in your very good slimes. They were hard to find something wrong with them, and I hope that you are happy with how I fixed them. Let's go on to our last one. This package is from Meredith, and I just have to say, I love the drawings that she put on the outside of this box. She drew all of us, and it's so beautiful and cute. And she also said, I love your key lime pie slime, which means so much to me. Here we have the box. I love that it says not shoes on the front. Dear Peachy Babies, thank you for opening my package. I love your YouTube, Instagram, and your shop. I have 6 of your slimes. Oh my gosh. Strawberries and cream, honeybee frost, honey cube squish, mooncake, de-stressed dough, and key lime pie. I hope you like my slimes and keep posting amazing videos and making good slime. I love the videos that Erin makes from Meredith. Thank you so much, Meredith. Let's see what you sent us. It is... In Canada, they give you milk in a bag instead of in a carton, so why not slime in a bag, I guess. This is something I have never seen before, and also Meredith is not from Canada. Creative liberties. She made her own Peachy Babies bracelet. Oh my gosh, my wrist looks so much cooler than it did when I woke up this morning. This says, I hope you like the slime, not scented, do not eat. That is very important to keep in mind. Thank you, Meredith. A little baggie of charms. That's nice, I don't have to do much work. Let's see what we have going on right now. Is this tape? That is the most creative add-on I've ever seen in slime. Thank you, Meredith. I think I'm gonna attempt to add a bit of lotion to this. And I'm also gonna add a block of clay. We're gonna start off with the clay. I'm curious if I add this clay to it, maybe it'll fix it enough that I won't need the lotion. I'm also hoping that this clay will lighten the color a little bit so that it will better match these charms that she sent. She said this was DIY bubblegum, so we want it to be a little bit lighter, definitely more of a bubblegummy stretch, because this is not a super stretchy slime at all right now. I think I actually may have made the texture a little bit worse by adding clay to it, because now it's a bit harder. So I'm gonna add some of that lotion in there. Oh, that was so much. I know what this needs. More memory dough. Go ahead and add it in there. Give it a more slime-like texture. Don't forget where we started, people. This was dried up bag slime, and now it's beautiful bubblegum colored slime. And would you look at that beautiful pink perfect slime. I'm so proud of myself. But before I go ahead and assemble the rest of this slime, I want to show you guys something. Because Meredith was talking about how much she loves our key lime pie slime, I decided I would assemble it right here for you guys in her honor. We restock every single Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with so many new cool slimes. I forgot how good this one smells. With a bunch of different colors, scents, literally anything that you like, you can find the right slime for you at peachybbabies.com. This Friday, set your alarms, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and go get yourself a key lime pie. It took a lot of work to get it here, but we're almost done with it. We're gonna add in this little charm mix that she sent. These are gorgeous. Meredith, where did you get these? They're really pretty. And then I also brought our bubblegum mixture from Charmville. I wanted to add the Peachy Babies touch. This beautiful bubblegum slime was once dry in a bag. And now, look. How? I'm so sorry, Meredith. I've dropped so many things today. Still pretty though. That came out so well. I honestly think we could sell this at Peachy Babies. It's so good. Thank you so much to Jillian, Indigo, and Meredith for sending in your slimes. We appreciate it so much. I get so excited every time I see a package from you guys. I hope you guys are happy with how I decided to fix them. And if you want your slime to get fixed, make sure to send it in. If this video gets 3,500 likes, I will make sure to do another one of these for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.